Today I'm going to show you the Flashdance What a Feeling line dance. So this actually the song was sang by Irene Cara on the movie Flashdance. So it's 32 counts, it's really steps, it's just fast. So I'm going to turn around so you can follow me step by step. So starting with your right foot, okay, cross it over your left, pointing your toes, and then back, and then do it again, and step right, putting your weight on your right foot. Okay, let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now with your right foot free, you cross over your right, step right, cross back, step right. We're doing the same thing going to your left. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? On the count of 8, once we get back to the to your left, you need to be ready to do a quarter turn. Okay? So from the top, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now, next 4 counts. You gotta step, do quarter turn, so you're facing this wall, and then do a hop turn. Okay? Now, put your weight on your right foot. We're going to do another quarter turn. You step, quarter turn, and you step your left foot and your right. So when you step your right, you're ready again to do another quarter turn. Okay? Let's do that all over again. So we're here, okay? So we're going to do a quarter turn, and 1, half turn, 2. Now we're going to do another quarter turn, 3, and 4. Okay? That is really going to be really fast. So we'll do this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you're turning again, quarter turn. Let's do it from the top. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Now do number 5. Weight on your left foot, rock back on your right, 6, and you kick 7. And now when you put down your left foot, you do a ball change. You're changing your foot, but spreading your right foot. Okay? So this is how it happens. So you kick 7 and 8. Okay? Let's do that part again. Okay? Ready? So you're in this position. So quarter turn, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? Goes really fast. So when you do this, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Okay? And now you're ready to kick 6, 7, and 8. Okay? From the top. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? Last 8 counts, all you do is just cross your right, touch, cross your left, touch, step forward with your right, rock back on your left, step back on your right, rock back on your left. So now you're ready to do it facing this wall. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And now you're ready for this wall. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And now you're ready for this wall. Okay? I think you got the idea. So just click on the next video for the dance with the music so you can dance along with me. Okay? I'll see you there. Bye.